Welcome. If you want to use air gestures in your HUAWEI Mate 4K Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on search pool and type air gest. Let's click on the air gestures and here it is. So for example, we can activate air scroll, Grabshot and Air Press. So let's go for air scroll, turn it on, skip the tutorial, then go for another one, skip tutorial one more time, and air press. I'm going to show you how it works because I don't want to turn on any music sounds. So we have to keep our hand, palm of our hand, like that, and then we have to push it to the screen. Okay, and pause the music. So keep it. Then we have to move hand closer, and as you can see, the music stop, and when we want to play we have to put our hand in the same position and then press one more time. And that's how it works. But let's focus on the air scroll and the grab shot. So for example, we are right here and we have to keep our hand like that and then just grab it. And here we capture the screenshot, and when you want to just move through the settings, you have to keep your hand like that and then just move it. And go for the upper section. We can also go right here for the more connections. But unfortunately, we cannot go back. So it's not perfect, but I think it's really cool to get it. Right. Can move on the left or the right. You can also try to scroll a bit. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.